Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reset the inspection on a Vauxhall Zafira. It's a 2007 mine. So I'm talking about this inspection. It's a reminder to change the oil and the filters, or even if you change the oil and the filters, you still have to reset it. So it's the same procedure for Astra Mark 5, for Signum, Corsa D, and any other car that is from same generation like mine. So all you have to do is you have to press this button here, hold it, put the ignition on. The inspection will start flashing until it disappears. Now you have to turn the ignition off. Then to confirm the reset, you have to put the ignition again on, and it's gone.